Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. I'm back with another interesting recipe. It's quite an easy one because we are going to be grilling some meat in the oven. With me here I have my beef and I'm going to season it with a few spices. Then we'll pop it in the oven. Then we are going to keep on checking on it till it's well done. I'll be using paprika, garlic, some salt, and a seasoning cube. Then I'm going to bind this up with just a few drops of cooking oil because as you can see this meat is already fatty, so we do not want to add a lot of cooking oil to our beef. Then I'm going to be serving this over some mashed bananas. These are the green matokes that I've mashed, and if at all you want a similar recipe, let me know and I can do it for you. I have a similar recipe that I posted back in 2021. You can check it out, of the mashed matoke, and it's really a banger. You should definitely check that out. So I'm going to put this in the oven that is preheating at 180 degrees for a total of 1 hour. I'm going to cover it, and halfway through I'm going to remove the foil and let it do its own thing while uncovered. So stick around and enjoy. Also subscribe if you haven't. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Also don't forget to like and share this with a friend. Also tell your friends that I'm back. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.